Environment Study, Class 4, Chapter 12, Beaks and Teeth. Dear students, you have learnt about teeth and their work in previous part of this chapter. Today, we are going to discuss about beaks of birds. Let us start. Students, birds use beaks in place of teeth for eating food. Their favorite food can be guessed from the shape of their beak. The beaks of sparrows, pigeons, peacocks, hens, and dove are short and hard, that they can break the grains easily. Look at this green parrot. It eats hard, unripe and ripe fruits with its round and curved beak. Kite, owl and eagle are preying birds. They tear and eat flesh of their prey with their hooked, sharp and hard beak. Look at this duck. It is finding insects from muddy water with help of its big, straight and perforated beak. The mud and water flow out from the perforations of beak and it eats remaining insects. The beak of a pelican bears a pouch on its lower part. The beak of woodpecker is long, straight and sharp, which helps it to find insects from cavities and barks of trees. Honey eater sucks the nectar from the flower while flying with its thin and long beak. Kingfisher eats small creatures like fishes and frogs from the ponds with its long and broad beak. Dear students, the birds use their beaks for making nests, feeding young ones, cleaning their feathers, and their self-security. Now, you note down your homework. Number 1. Why is the beak of woodpecker larger than the beak of sparrow? Number 2. Which of the birds eat flesh after preying? Activity 4. Long-beaked birds and their food. Short-beaked birds and their food. You should write these question answers and activity on your notebook with your good handwriting. Thank you.